Good morning, everyone. Lisa here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some basic tassels. What you're going to do is just take a business card and wrap either yarn or embroidery floss around it about a dozen times. Then take an 8-inch section and wrap that underneath all of those loops. Tie it in a knot really tight, and then you're going to use some scissors to cut the bottom off. See how it's already kind of looking like a tassel? Now to keep all those little pieces from coming undone, we're going to take another 8-inch section of yarn and just tie that about 1 centimeter below. Wrap it around and keep tying to be sure that it's really secure. But that's going to hold your tassel in place so it never comes undone. And now you're done. Use these tassels to decorate anything from accessories to clothing to home decor. Thanks so much for watching, guys.